Welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the strategies for the Mid-Autumn Festival. The Mid-Autumn Festival is one of the biggest shopping seasons in Asia, presenting huge opportunities for merchants. However, with high demand comes the pressure for attractive discounts. But unlimited discounts can cause your profits to disappear faster than mooncakes at midnight. Let's look at the problem with uncapped discounting. When discounts grow with cart size, large orders can take away more than you planned. This cuts straight into your profits, making it harder to maintain healthy margins. The fix is simple: implement cap discounts. For example, offer 40% off up to a maximum of $500. Customers still save, but your margins stay safe, ensuring sustainable sales. Let's highlight the key benefits of using cap discounts. Cap discounts helps you to control offers on larger orders, protecting your profits. This strategy keeps your festival campaigns profitable even during peak shopping times. So, if you want to set up a cap discount like this in your Shopify store, watch this video completely without skipping. So, before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For setting up a cap discount in Shopify, I am using Next Discount app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. Just check it out and follow along with me. After installing the app, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. Now you can choose the discount code as the discount type and add for any discount code. Let's add a flat 30% off as the code here. I'm planning to give a 30% of discount with a capping amount of 200. So this capping amount will make sure that our discount amount will never go beyond $200. Even if the 30% of the cart value is higher than 200, this capping amount will ensure, or it will limit the maximum discount amount up to 200 only. You can also apply this discount to all the products or a specific collection or a specific products. And if you have any minimum purchase requirement, you can set it over here. Let's add a no minimum purchase requirement for now. And in case of customer eligibility, you can set it for all the customers or customers having some tax or only on first order customers. And you can also limit the usage of this code per customer only one time. Also, you can limit the number of times the discount can be used in total. Let's say 100 here. Then this code will be available for the 100 first users. And now here in this active dates, you can set some start date, start time, and end date and end time through which this code is active. Like if you are planning to run this mid-autumn sale through the mid-autumn season of 10 days or a month or a week, then those timings and the date you can set up here. And you can also combine the code with the existing discounts like product discount, order discount, or a shipping discount. So after adding all the details, you can save the changes. Now let's check whether our code has been activated from the discount section. Now you can see that the flat 30% off has been successfully activated. Now let's test our setup in the online store. So I am trying to buy a product of 234. Let's add this product to the cart. Let's apply our code here. Now you can see that the 30% of 234, which is 70 rupees, has been applied successfully, and this customer will be getting a correct amount of 30% of their cart value. And now let's test with some other products having a higher priced value. Now let's test with this $5,000 product. I'm applying the code here. So we know that 30% of 5,000 is greater than 200. Since we have capped our discount amount at 200, this will make sure that the maximum discount amount will be getting for the customers will limited to 200 only. So by using this capping amount, whenever we are running a large percentage based offers, it's a smart way to stay generous without giving away too much. So what you are waiting for? Just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your Shopify store. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Shopify and seasonal tips. Also, please do like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.